So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba maglagay ng profile picture sa ating PayPal account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating PayPal account or yung ating PayPal app. And then, pagka-open guys, kung wala pa kayong profile picture, i-tap nyo lang yung profile na nandito sa upper left corner katulad nito. And ayan guys, ito yung pinakang profile ng ating PayPal. So, para magkaroon ng profile picture, i-tap nyo lang yung camera button na nandito sa may taas ng inyong profile name. And then, choose existing photo or take new photo. So, ito na lang, choose existing photo. So, pipili tayo sa gallery ng photo na pwede nating ilagay dito sa profile picture ng ating PayPal. So, for example guys, is pipili ako ng isang picture. So, ito na lang guys yung pipiliin ko. Tap nyo lang yung picture na gusto nyo. And then, i-crop nyo yung gusto nyong angle ng photo na ilalagay sa profile picture ninyo. So, ayan, kapag okay na and naset nyo na yung photo, tap nyo yung crop na nandito sa may lower part. And then, for verification, ilagay niyo yung password ng inyong PayPal account para ma-continue. And ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, meron ng profile picture ng aking PayPal account. So, ayan lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba maglagay ng profile picture sa ating PayPal. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.